Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. For participants and viewers, let me introduce myself. My name is Norah Mawardeni, and I'm from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, and I will present with the title, Improving Sustainability Awareness Through Education for Sustainable Development in Mathematics Curriculum and Learning. So we know globally there has been substantial growth in interest and knowledge about sustainability, and the challenge associated with sustainability in recent years. This enables mathematics learning to contribute to achieve the SDGs and raise awareness of sustainability. So the concept of sustainability may not significantly change behavior, and here in another element to magnify this transformation, we need engagement. So this study will discuss strategies to provide the intended involvement so mathematics learning can increase awareness for sustainability. So first of all, these studies begin with some question. Why mathematics and sustainable development? So one of the reasons behind this, we need to incorporate ESD or Education for Sustainable Development values into topic in line with the UNESCO directive, which encourage countries to shift curriculum content values towards sustainable development. Furthermore, the ESD values is expected to be accommodated in mathematics topics to understand the meaning of sustainable development. And the second question is it necessary to improve sustainability awareness? And because education is crucial for the delivery of knowledge and it's supporting sustainability development, developing the necessary awareness, values, and attitudes to achieve sustainability for development is essential. It maintains and respects the environment and life around them. Sustainability awareness must be developed early because it's vital to supporting long-term growth. And the third question is how the implementation nowadays. As we know, research and development in this field is continuous and to be carried out. It is still not cannot be implemented in the school for some reason. For teachers, that's many teachers not familiar with sustainable development, especially in mathematics education. Then they have never heard of receiving information about ESD-based mathematics learning or in mathematics lessons, and they don't know how to implement it, and assuming that sustainable development is only for science lessons. So this study will using a qualitative research. This study use qualitative literature and document analysis, which enable a true and in-depth examination for pertinent writing and records. These two techniques aid the research to identify the crucial keywords and ideas associated with the keywords. Okay, so this is the result and the discussion. The discussion on this topic is how to create the engagement with the three keywords: education for sustainable development, mathematics lesson especially in nation curriculum of Indonesian, and sustainability awareness. So we will talking about the activities and on the school. It's mean we need to talk about the curriculum. So the way to combine these three keywords to arrange them in the curriculum is to improving awareness. We need to present experience related to sustainability in the learning process, and this can be done by combining sustainability experience, ESD, and mathematics lessons in learning component. So and we also found that in terms of sustainability awareness is continuous awareness of the environment around students, then when learning a concept related to real life, students will learn more effectively, consistently with active learning. In active learning, the teacher only function as a guide or prepare the classroom environment for learning, while the student active participate cognitive, emotional, as socially, and physically. While in the of ESD-based mathematics-based education for sustainable development is built with the paradigm that mathematical thinking is not only to solve mathematical problems, not only to train students to perform arithmetic, but students can carry out the learning process even through learning has been complete. Thus, we found the basic in integrating sustainability to improving sustainability awareness in education for sustainable development. We can integrate it, all the components and learning components. As we know, we have 5 learning components. For the young, first is purpose. So in determining the learning objective, the objective of ESD must be contain the objective learning mathematics according to basic competencies and core competencies, of course, in National Curriculum of Indonesia, as well as the goals increasing sustainability awareness. And the second is the materials. Of course, there are 3 different materials for each keywords. So we need to make learning materials that contain poverty reduction or exploitation of natural resource, which can be the topic for solving mathematical problems, or it can also be used to increase student awareness. And the third is strategies. Of course, we need a combination of the strategies, and it's have a different strategies for education for sustainable development. We can facilitate the student to find out about the sustainable development, raise sustainability issues as a topic, or use approach to, or strategies that are unique to sustainability. Or various learning models can be used that directly involve students, such as the problem-based education, project-based learning, and others. And for mathematics lessons, the strategies is presenting learning means that mathematics can solve actual problem in life. And for sustainability awareness, the strategies is provide hands-on experience for students with regards to sustainable development. And the fourth is media. Of course, we can provide that experience for students to see, hear, feel, and to be active involved in the learning. And the last is evaluation. In here, the 3 aspects need to be evaluating. We need to evaluate the knowledge about the sustainable development, and evaluating about student learning outcomes, cognitive, affective, psychomotor, and the sustainability awareness. Of course, we need to be sharing our awareness. And the last, this is the conclusion. To improve sustainability awareness, it is necessary to present conditions that provide experience for students to feel and be directly involved in the global problems to achieve the SDGs. Besides that, learning mathematics will be more meaningful when it can be answer contextual problems, so they can be used to increase awareness of sustainability in mathematics learning, and we can integrate education for sustainable development, mathematics curriculum, and sustainability awareness into each learning component. Thank you.